Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne speaks the Queen and Great Britain. Dwayne talks about the fact, or I should say, the saying that all that was done to these small islands that were under the Queen is that they just take from the small islands and didn't give back. So Dwayne is taking one for the team, for the small islands and everything. So he's talking about that. He says he don't want to be seen as an hypocrite because he's living in Great Britain, but at the same time, he wants to be truthful about the situation, about what is happening. So check the video out for yourself, and please remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment on the video.
Who came over? Good morning, Bass Reynolds. Good morning to you. Good morning to every single one of you on the live right now. Silent viewers, good morning to you too. Listen, I've got one question to ask you guys, right? I was just reading an article and it says Jamaica is to go on a 12-day mourning for the Queen of England. I know for a fact this topic is very sticky. It's a sticky one, right? So I'm here to ask you all your thoughts. Good morning, Tamika. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning to every single one of you. Listen, yes, I know I am Jamaican too. I'm Jamaican, right? But let's be quite honest about this whole topic. What are the Jamaicans? What are you guys mourning for? Do you guys have British citizenship? Like me, I live in England. Right? I have a British citizenship, right? I do. Thanks to my mom. My mom came here when it was easy for citizens of the Commonwealth to come here. And you know what? Not just Jamaica. Good morning, Catania. Good morning. Not just Jamaica. I see a lot of other countries who say, listen, they are not going to mourn. Kenya, I see Kenya joining the wagon, saying, listen, we are not mourning for no queen. So I'm here to ask the Jamaicans, what are your thoughts? What are you guys mourning for? What benefit has the UK given to Jamaica on a whole? The Queen being head of state of Jamaica, what benefit has it, what kind of benefits have been implemented in your lives? Are your lives any better? I'm asking this, right, Mr. Dahlia, seriously, listen, I'm not gonna bash the country, but I have a lot of family members left back in Jamaica. And their lives are really impoverished. Good morning, Janice. Good morning. Guys, please like the video. If you can, please like my video. If you can, give me a share too. Like, I've been sitting back and I've been just thinking on this whole subject. I'm like, hold on. What has the Queen or UK on a whole? What have they done for the country? And bear in mind, Jamaica is still a part of the Commonwealth. Yes, I understand. Jamaica asked for their independence in 1962 from the monarchy, but the Queen has always remained head of state. Correct me if I'm wrong. The Queen of England, or Great Britain on a whole, has remained head of state for Jamaica and a lot of other countries around the world. What have they done for these respective countries? Honestly, people may say I'm a hypocrite, but listen, all In my eyes, all they've done is just take from these small countries. They just take. Funny thing. Until this very day, Jamaica still owes Great Britain money. Do you guys know this? Every year, Jamaica has to pay some kind of monies to the government of the UK. Seriously. Perhaps a lot of you didn't know this. And not to mention, even if Jamaica gained their independence from England, do you guys know the Prime Minister of Jamaica, he don't have that much power? Who is the most powerful person on the island right now? Answer me that question. Let me see if you guys are smart. Listen, I don't want to be a part of no damn mix-up. I'm going to speak on things that is informative, things that we can all discuss. Now, Canada is a well, Canada is up there, but Jamaica and all of those other small countries, let's talk about them. Who is more powerful than the Prime Minister of Jamaica? Let me see if you guys are smart. Answer me. I can't see none of you writing the answer here. Who is the most powerful person on the island of Jamaica right now? That person has to report to Great Britain. No, Tamika. No. You're wrong. Right, Amy J, write it out. I feel like you got it, but I need you to write the answer. Write it in the comment. I feel like you got it, but letters won't do it. All right, Marion, there we go. The Governor General is way more powerful than the Prime Minister, right? The Governor General, when things needs to be signed off, do you guys really think the Prime Minister or Parliament can do these things on their own? They have to come to Great Britain. They have to come to England to have these things signed off, put to the Queen. The Governor General reported to the Queen. Now he will be reporting to the King. So what has... Bear in mind, the country is still not free. It's not free. You may think it's free. You may think you guys have power, but trust me, England is still calling all of the shots out there. So what have Great Britain done to benefit the citizens of Jamaica and all of the other Commonwealth countries' lives? What have they done? Have any of you guys' lives, the Jamaicans, I'm speaking to Jamaicans right now, has any of you guys' lives improved in any way, shape, or form? So what are you mourning for? What exactly are you mourning for? Honest to God, them still have to deal with... Yes, they still have to deal with the high... Absolutely, not just the High Court. They have to go to the Queen. They have to go to listen, they have to report to England.